welcome back to Thunder Rooster. My name is Ron.
My name is Paul.
You guys voted and Dead Unicorn won. So we're going to hop into this. We've been told it's kind of weird.
Wait, weird?
It's a lot different than normal. So I'm kind of excited to see where this goes.
We haven't seen anything weird from them. Nope.
No, not at all.
Dead Unicorn, huh?
Yeah, all right. Let's get into this.
Okay.
Hard horror story. Oh.
Oh.
Do you have anything with clowns, Paul?
I'm not a fan of clowns.
I had to ask.
Advertising causes a slavery who is degrading you for a penny. Let your brief every day is a favor. And if you pay for a preview, your attempt to be happy is free.
It's a real life bubblehead.
Conquer and if you pay for a preview, your attempt to be happy is failure. Entertaining is your fucking thriller. Race for masses, commercial inhaler. Don't let your last unicorn die. Yeah.
Interesting.
Pump it.
Pump it.
Would this be considered dubstep?
I'm probably the wrong one asked on that. I do feel like there's a little hint of that. Sure.
Yeah.
Pump it. Now it's time to break up with the system. Our reasons are clear and listed. Come on and change the course of the history. Take off disguise of that rotten mystery. I'm here to prove you are within your shaker dreams are waiting and screaming.
I know you're losing your shit right now.
I'm not losing it. I'm just... This isn't the little big I know.
I'm a little disturbed by this, so I know you are definitely disturbed by this.
Help! Help!
Oh, just look at it. I bet they have somebody actually do this, too. Because I've seen people do this.
Oh, shit. They're
in real life.
Have at it, bud.
You are the one who controls your living. Don't let your last unicorn die.
Why did you wake him up to do that?
All that time wasted. Bad clown.
Hey, good morning, beautiful. You want to know why I've got these scars on my face? Thought he shoved that dude's head up his ass. Oh! Got it. What the actual fuck?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna die, clown!
I hate clowns. Fucking hate them.
Interesting
Now
choice of music video.
I was gonna say, now we understand. I love the song. I do like it. What'd you think of the video?
It was a horror story.
Yes, it was.
Wow.
That's a lot to take in.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I'm just
Not my favorite.
Nope.
Not my favorite.
Nope. Won't lie to you. I probably won't watch that again. I'll listen to it, but I ain't gonna watch that again.
Yeah. Damn.
But I get what they were getting at, obviously. But
Yeah, I was confused for a second there because the way things were going. I was like, oh no. All right. Thanks for the mental scarring you gave us both.
but we were going down that hole.
A little big hole.
You promised.
Yep. All right. Till next time. Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Sometimes Saturdays.
And on Sunday for Reactcast. Damn it, we're getting busy. As long as you guys keep coming back to watch, we'll keep putting her out. Till next time.
We love you. Peace.
You've reached the end of the video. The Roosters have put a lot of work into this, so leave a comment and like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, then what the F are you doing with your life? You should check out the Thunder Rooster merch store and support the channel. You can find us on Instagram or through our website. You will not find us on Twitter, 'cause roosters don't tweet.